Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook enter mobile number issue. So if you wanna add mobile number on your account, but that number uh, already entered on your another account, so you can't you can't enter or add this number to your another account. So in this situation, what do you need to do? So all you need to do is just go for a new tab here and go for in this search, which is report a login issue with Facebook mobile text. You have to search for it and you can see this link first top in the list. So you have to click on it, and now after clicking on this link you can see a page like this. You have to just click on this receiving text and enter your mobile operator name, which is my one is Airtel. Then enter your mobile number here, then enter your country. If I go for my country here, and you have to describe your issue that you have already add your number to an account and you wanna add this number to another account again. So you have to describe the thing here in this description box. After that, uh, you have to just go for next. After go for next, Facebook will help you or reply you within 2 days and fix your problem. So that's it. That's the process. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.